from smoke and steel to silence and software. The car's story is not merely mechanical. It is deeply human. It's the story of our desire to go farther, faster, freer, a symbol of power, a vessel for independence, a canvas for innovation. In the beginning, there was noise. Heavy machines born of the Industrial Revolution. Engines that roared with explosions, pistons hammering in rhythm, gears grinding, steel frames groaning. They were crude, dangerous, unreliable. But they moved. Those first cars were not about luxury. They were about audacity. To take something that didn't exist before, a self-propelled machine, and put on a dirt road, was nothing short of revolutionary. You didn't just ride in a car. You conquered it. Early drivers were tinkerers, mechanics, adventurers. They had to be. Every journey was an experiment. Every destination, a victory. Then came transformation. Mass production replaced craftsmanship with efficiency. Henry Ford's assembly line redefined the world. Suddenly, cars weren't for the elite. They were for everyone. Mobility became democratic. By the 1950s, cars had taken over the landscape. They shaped entire cities. Suburbs stretched wide. Highways cut through wilderness. The car was no longer just transportation. It was lifestyle, culture, status. It was youth rebellion style. The 60s and 70s brought muscle and performance. Raw speed, chrome, thunder under the hood. The car was loud, proud, and powerful. It was freedom in metal form. Freedom to leave, to explore, to run. But with power came cost. Air thickened with exhaust. Oceans rose. Temperatures climbed. Gasoline, once abundant, became a symbol of dependence. We started to wonder, was this sustainable? Then came the quiet whisper of change. Electric motors, batteries, early hybrids. At first, they were dismissed. Weak, ugly. But behind closed doors, a new idea was taking shape. Not as a new car, but a new kind of car. A car that didn't just move, but thought. That didn't just respond, but predicted. That connected, not just with the road, but with your home, your devices, your life. The age of software had arrived. Lines of code replaced lines of fuel. The dashboard became a screen. Buttons became touch. The machine became intelligent. And it didn't stop there. The car became a service, a platform, a digital experience on wheels. It maps traffic in real time. It adjusts your climate before you even get in. It parks itself, warns you of danger. Sometimes it drives itself. And the engine, the mighty, roaring engine, gave way to a whisper. Torque on demand. Instant acceleration. No delay. No pollution. Electric vehicles were once the outsider. Now, they're leading the race. Tesla, Rivian, Lucid, Porsche, Hyundai. Even the old giants, Ford, GM, Toyota, have turned their eyes toward the future. Because they must. The world is changing. So must the machines that move it. And yet, for all this evolution, we haven't lost the soul. A child still presses their face to the window of a fast car. A long road still calls to the restless heart. A steering wheel still feels like freedom in your hands. What's different now is that the car listens. It adapts. It updates. It becomes better, not with time, but with data. It's no longer just a reflection of our engineering. It's an extension of our intelligence. From iron and fire, forged in noise and grit, to code and battery, shaped by silence and precision. We haven't just improved the car, we've reimagined it. And in doing so, we've reimagined the future. Because the car has always been more than transportation. It is memory. It is movement. It is magic. And now, it is only just beginning again.